Oh, tunnel of love.
What are we doing today?
We are biking around Lake Wanaka.
Wanaka. But we're going to have some hardcore
Fun.
good. Made it to the first stop of our little biking trip. Look how amazing these pebbles are. They look like something you have to buy. Just how quiet it is. I'm ruining it with my voice, but look. Hang on. It's amazing. It's just so quiet. It's good that it's not ruined by like boats.
Yeah, that's what I mean, yeah. I would have thought, I've seen how big it is, it'd be more like fishing boats and like water sports and things like that.
Maybe it's out there.
Sure, it's a big old lake, isn't it? I thought you were gone. It smells well good in there. I'm not breathing. I can't breathe. Ow. Oh, good view, mate. Oh, Scottish Highlands, is it? Oh, sweet. The gig's worth. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Oh.
Second stop.
Wow.
Jesus, you're just chucking them in the water now. Right, so we're on the second side, I guess, of the lake. So we started way behind us. Our little cycling trip. It's been really nice. We stopped for some coffee. That was always good.
Good coffee as well.
Yeah, really good coffee. Actually, we got two. The view, I would say the view from that side is better, a little bit. This is a lot more green. I wouldn't not like it. It's good though. Later today we're heading to Queenstown, and then tomorrow or the next day we're going to go to Milford Sound. We're going to do a day tour on that. We still need to book that. We were going to be doing a 2-day tour, one to Milford Sound and the other one to Mount Cook. However, we realised that we only actually get just over 2 hours at Mount Cook, so that's not even long enough to hike it, let alone see much of it. So we decided to do Milford Sound, which is a proper full day one, and then we'll save the extra day to maybe go swimming, fishing. Fun day ahead. We're probably going to be cycling for a couple more hours though. First of all, get some grub, and then Queenstown, which I'll be driving to.
Walking, is it? It's not easy. Where the f*** are we? I could just either hear, or it's either your gears or you smacking into trees. You're holding me up. Oh my lord. Surely we've got to do it. Yeah, go on, just go. Help me. That's so steep. Oh, ton of blue. That tree just absolutely plastered me in the face. Oh, hello. I'm in a bush.
Mountain biking was fun. I had the best time ever. I nearly died. Johnny nearly died. On our way to Queenstown. It's not a bad stop, is it, really? Seen worse.